Hello guys, it's a vacation, and today I am doing a model review and an unboxing video for my new United 737-700 that I got from Amazon. And today I have Sea Traffic with me here again. So say hi, Sea Traffic.
Hi. We will be doing a fictional airport update later tonight.
Oh yeah,
We're working on it right now.
Later today we'll be doing a fictional. Okay, so. No, we don't have to give them a preview. We can just I think it's better if we have it as a surprise for them. But yep, if I can open this box, then that'll be awesome. Oh my gosh, why is this box so hard to open? Okay. What the heck? What is this box made of? Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna do that, I guess. Okay. What the heck? There we go. I'll just rip it open. The totally polite way to open a box. Just rip it open. Okay, so oh God. Okay, so there we go. Okay, that was really hard. Here it is. United 737-700. Now let's just focus. And that is a nice jet. But I haven't even seen it yet. So let's open this. Whoa. Look at that jet.
That was nice.
What a jet. So, yep. So, yeah. And this is truly amazing jet. And tomorrow might be uploaded to Albany Airport. We're probably going to do it. But yeah, Albany Airport is tomorrow. But yeah, I'm not going to get into that more of the jet. But yeah, this truly is an amazing plane, worth the struggle of opening that box. So anyway, let's take a look at it. So here's the view. If you looked up a box, here's some aircraft information. I just said information. Here we go, some aircraft information. And then here's the back of it. Okay, let's open this. Looks purple. So now, let's open it. Wow. This is truly amazing. Let's just move this so you can see it better. So yeah, this jet, I really like this. It's not my favorite. My favorite's still the Norwegian, but this plane is probably in my top 10. Maybe. But yeah. Sorry if you can't see that much. Wait, Connor.
Yeah.
Can you please flip on that light right there? That one. And just turn it. Just turn it. And aim it at the plane, please. Okay, that you can see a little better, I think. So yeah, let's put it on the runway and see how it looks. Yeah, so now you guys can see it better. That is awesome. That is just awesome. And you notice I painted the runways and stuff. 7L, 7R on the other side. And I also painted the table gray. The whole table. Which is pretty awesome. But yeah. All I gotta say is thank you guys for watching this model unboxing and model review. I really appreciate it. And also, make sure that you subscribe to Sea Traffic. And he will start making some interesting videos soon. Maybe, I don't know. But yeah, please
No
give...
guarantees.
Yeah, no guarantees. But,
Maybe, though.
but please give him some support, because... And if he does make aviation videos, then hopefully you welcome him into the aviation community. So yep, I hope you liked that model review. And also watch my make sure you watch my latest video, the last video I made, the best catches of 2017. I loved it. I probably saw it at least 10 times. So yeah, all I gotta say is thanks for watching. And if you're new, then make sure that you subscribe, and that will make me pretty happy. Yeah, hope you liked that video, and bye.